ठीक है जी, we'll start. This is
एक मिनट,
episode.
कर्टन बंद कर लेना, कर्टन बंद कर मुसाद, रिफ्लेक्शन आ रही है।
लाइट कहाँ से आएगी? बत्तियां मैंने बंद की हुई हैं।
It's all right.
तो ऑन कर लो बत्तियां।
बत्तियां
वैसे कर
बुझा
लो।
दो.
This is gonna-
This is fucking
It's
episode
almost
86.
an hour.
I'm just starting. Change.
Before we start, I have a bone to pick, and I need some backup from you, Ali, because मैंने group chat में डाला था.
Yeah.
Are you recording this? You can use it later.
It's all recording.
मैंने change of pace group chat में डाला था. बड़े heavy heart से डाला था कि यार बड़े अफसोस से कहना पड़ रहा है मुझे, but I really like the Shamoon Ismail song.
Yeah.
Okay?
I also.
What rubbish.
And then Khwaja is like, what bullshit.
यार क्या हो गया तुम लोगों को यार?
मैं देखो, it took me a lot of fucking guts to say that out loud.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Oh. Bravery. How?
Bravery, like,
शमून लवर्स अनोनिमस में आए हुए थे।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
This is a safe space.
Yeah, bro, मैंने भी सुना.
I'm okay with it. I must admit.
No way, man.
I must admit.
The music's cool, but
It's
he is
horrible.
The music's okay, but he is.
The music is really good.
Horrible.
Listen, the music is really good.
Look.
There's other better songs he's done.
The
Tuntuna
music
was
is that
better.
standardized earworm जो हमें पता है pop music.
Oh, you've heard. Wait, Mossad has heard more Shamoon songs. Achha.
Yeah,
Suppose-
Marijuana was better. Tuntuna was
On
better.
and on भी ठीक है, on and on भी ठीक है.
I've heard no Shamoon songs. Well,
I haven't heard anything.
I've heard his
Marijuana
song
is okay.
where he's
Marijuana
with
the best.
Abdullah Siddiqui, doing feats.
Kids.
Abdullah Siddiqui, this come through is so good. It's so good. I've been listening to it like every day.
Legit
almost.
Gana. Anyway, this is I think I've mentioned 86, episode 86, part of our December roundup special. Change of pace के boys are back. We're missing a couple boys जो शहीद हो गए थे in the line of commentary. We're not gonna say. बस वो नहीं है. पिछले एपिसोड में हमने इनको लास्ट डैब खिला दिया था thanks to Sarfaraz, and बस अब वो नहीं है. This time Sarfaraz is on camera as well. These guys are living together आजकल. तो जी how is how is everyone doing? Khwaja Saab, Sarkhel, Mossad, Sarfaraz, how are you guys doing? Oh no.
कोई तो बोले.
देखो, I'm a regular here. I don't need to answer. तुम लोग
वो
बोलो.
रेगुलर है, वो लास्ट में बोलेगा. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह यार, of course because of the COVID thing हमारा काफी सीन ऑफ हो गया था.
Yeah.
But then we recovered जब summer में matches हुए थे पाकिस्तान के. So for the first time ever we did whole test matches, 7 hours, 5 days a week. So me and Mossad really grinded through that. और unfortunately हम जीते नहीं, तो सारी मेहनत पानी हो गई. But we got a very positive response और बहुत लोगों ने appreciate किया, और I believe हमारा brand काफी grow हुआ है उससे. और अब पाकिस्तान की सीजन लगने वाली है, like December onwards. It's going to be really
लगने वाली.
हमारी भी season we are Pakistan team dependent, so we're going to be pretty busy in the new year, I believe.
Mossad, Sarfaraz, how have you been? The question वैसे this how have you been is more like how's your year been? COVID शोर में सब खैरियत से
The year's been shit. The year's been
Yeah.
absolutely
Oh.
horrible. It's been an absolute nightmare. But it's been great. Change of pace has been great. We've done some good things. We've made some good progress. I think working from home has enabled me personally to spend a lot more time on it. Go
Right.
over to Sarfaraz to develop some new infrastructure around it. So that part's been good. Just this very, very thin silver lining on COVID. Other than that, obviously, like AZ said, our season got disrupted, and our lives have obviously been disrupted in Dubai because of no work, and then when there was work, we're all at home, all of that. So there's obviously economic disruption that comes with that too.
और सरखेल आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ bro, fit है.
Short and sweet.
This whole thing is to ask Sarkhel as many questions as possible. We got some great Instagram questions also specifically for Sarkhel.
The gram.
I don't know if you saw Sarkhel, but you have no idea.
उसके burner accounts.
People ask questions, really?
Bro,
For us,
one person asked.
one person.
Shout out.
Name and shame
Was
कर दो
it,
फिर
was,
follow.
it, was it my wife? Was it my wife?
I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say. But guys, what I want to talk about is कि we spoke बिल्कुल शुरू में. I think one of the first video episodes we did consistently. उस वक्त we talked to you guys. So a lot of things have happened since then. Obviously, Corona शोना तो हुआ ही है. But how has the website wala काम been? And how has the test? Like, I just want you guys to run me through how your year has been.
Yeah. I think Safraz was the torchbearer of the website project in terms of like the nitty gritty work and actually putting it together. So I'll probably let you.
When did we have that last Abali episode? When was
January.
Beginning of February. Beginning of February, बिल्कुल.
Beginning of February. तो उस वक्त हमने website
we built the website that month.
PSL से पहले launch की थी हमने.
PSL से पहले launch की थी. हाँ.
Built it for March basically.
I think बहुत सारा हमारा काम उसमें लगा था to really make a website as a platform जो हम एक जगह बना सकें जहाँ content भी अच्छी तरह से पोस्ट हो सके. हमारा main जो experience है, which is the commentary plus the chat function, वो एक जगह आ जाए. And just to make like a portal जहाँ people can experience Pakistani cricket in an interesting way.
Yeah.
So basically, main जो challenge ये था to come up with like a design, an interface जो इन सब चीजों को kind of meld together कर सके. And I think we've done a pretty good job in terms of हमारे पास अब content आ रहा है, polls हैं, there's like written content. We've got the chat functionality, we've got the commentary functionality.
Yeah.
बहुत cool चीजें की हमने. In fact, Musad has also kind of really pushed in the music sense of it कि हमारे पास अब हमारा product इतना cool streamline हो चुका है कि we can stream any music we want on the website. तो लोग आए बैठ के pre-game, post-game, we've got like playlists lined up. तो बहुत like cool एक experience बन गया website पे आना. तो I think it's a good start.
One of the concerns people have told एक ज़माने में मुझसे भी कह रहे थे लोग के website बनाओ ये वो. My concern was always कि यार लोग तो सारे इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. अगर मैं यहाँ से चला गया and I tell them to come to like a third, fourth location, तो शायद कोई भी नहीं आएगा. Why would they make the effort? But it seems like for you guys that's been working out. That fear has not come.
It worked. The website's been empowering for us and for me personally as well. We had the same fears, We spoke to AZ about it too, and he's super opinionated about these transitions, and he was right because he was like, it's not going to work in terms of but then at the same time we knew like then when we pushed we said okay we need our own app as well. We might even need our own app. But so the point that I'm trying to make is that there's a couple things on the website that actually incentivize people coming forth. So there is we're still streaming on YouTube until we get blocked. I think we recently did get blocked. Right? PCB blocked us again, but we'll work on that. But the point being is that there's music on the website. There's no music on YouTube. Copyright issues.
Right.
There's when we're interacting with a chat, we prefer interacting with people that are on the website so that there's that added advantage. You can still tweet us in, and Sohail's monitoring that, but we still prefer you on the chat because that's where the large percentage of the community is. And then I think for me as well, because sometimes when AZ and Ahmed Hassan were doing the commentary, a couple times I was outside driving, so I was like, okay, let me listen to this as a customer, for lack of a better term.
Right.
And I realized that what's super great about the website is that I can turn my phone off, like the screen off, and let it connect to my car. And it just functions like internet radio, and it uses very little data.
Achha.
Yeah, so I'm listening to a 3.5 hour game, and I'm consuming around 200 megabytes of data.
Wow,
which is super efficient. Compare that to a YouTube stream.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
And Safraz ने तो stream भी मतलब वो ultra HD में करनी होती तो उसमें तो 10-12 GB आपके
4K everything.
Yeah, so 4K everything वाला scene है. So that really is empowering because you can just it's efficient economically, time-wise, battery-wise.
I think शुरू में यही था कि the real risk was कि we've got all these platforms, हम YouTube पे stream कर रहे हैं, वहाँ लोग chat कर रहे थे. हमारा पहले क्या था, Twitch पे था, हम लोग stream कर रहे थे, वहाँ chat कर रहे थे. But the core thing is, and this also applies to TPR maybe down the line, is that you're always going to be at the mercy of social media. Like उनके terms and conditions पे आप always आप dependent रहेंगे. उन्होंने हमें copyright strike कर दिया, your entire thing just collapses on itself. So the end game जो है ना, वो it has to be the website. You are not like a legitimate brand,
Yeah.
in my opinion, until you have a website.
Why did the PCB? Sorry, just to come back on that. You guys only do commentary. You're not streaming.
It's just they have an automation thing where they just block whatever keywords they see, and then we use their keywords in our title, and we got screwed. But also, like, just to speak to what Sarfraz said, our product is very different from because the podcast that we do is very supplementary. So it's supposed to supplement to the website, supplement to the core product, which is still the commentary.
Right.
So what we were noticing is that whereas things like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube, they're designed to help podcasters and bloggers and stuff, but these platforms aren't really designed to incentivize us because we're not live streamers, we're cricket commentary. So that meant that there was a clear need to kind of come up with your own platform if there's nobody else really helping you out there. So that kind of, it was one of those,
custom built
innovation by need. Exactly. So that's why it was like, cool, yeah, fine. And then with that website, you obviously get the ability to post articles, look more legitimate, have opinion pieces on there. We did a couple quizzes. Which fast bowler are you from Pakistan? That was a good hit.
Yeah, it's like you're in control of your destiny.
Yeah. Exactly.
And it was so this really seems that you guys are working. वो कौन सी website थी? Barstool that you were thinking of, like sort of
The Ringer.
The Ringer. Sorry, उससे हाँ. So that really is coming through. जो हमने उस वक्त बात की थी कि interaction भी हो सकता है. And the audience appears to be coming on board.
वो ये ना, if you build it, they will come वाली philosophy है. एक तो हमारा एक वजूद हो गई है कि एक हमारा अड्डा बन गया है where we can archive stuff, we can post our stuff, और eventually in the long term हमारा भी यही plan है यार कि अब थोड़ा offshoot करें, थोड़ा pop culture में आए, music में आए, opinions दें. ये वो अपना एक I believe कि the best thing about Change of Pace, it's not that कि हम cricket cover करते हैं वो सबको पसंद है. It's हमारी chemistry, मेरी और मुसाद की, मेरी और Ahmed Hassan and everybody else. So I believe that can translate onto many other topics. Music पे बात कर लें, movies पे बात कर लें. लोग हमारा banter, हमारी chemistry enjoy करते हैं, तो वो सिर्फ cricket थोड़ी चीज है. And I think we need to, और पाकिस्तानी especially जो हमारा social media एक circle बना हुआ है, it's obsessed with two things. एक तो cricket पे चलती है या सियासत पे चलती है. And we need to create a space where people can come and at least read other opinions on other issues as well.
Yes.
So I do feel that even TPR is part of that, and I feel we can also be a part of that.
Joe Rogan बनने वाला है.
बिल्कुल
हाँ. Jamie, pull that up, Jamie.
नहीं, but ये बात बिल्कुल ठीक है, because I was talking to this other guy, Qazi Akbar, and पता नहीं था वो हमारा कुछ boys ने TPR का interview लिया था. अब now this is about me. और वही मैं सोच रहा था.
As is everything else.
They were like, where do you see yourself? Do you see yourself as like the next Joe Rogan? I was like, no, I don't know.
यार why not यार? क्यों यार ऐसे goals ऐसे रखने
वाला सवाल पूछा है.
हाँ. But नहीं, one of the things I was thinking was कि पाकिस्तान में that you said या तो सियासत पे बहस होती है या
यार 3 दिन से वो ब्रेन डेड, वो कौन मिनिस्टर था जो बैठा हुआ था हार्ड टॉक पे, यार 3 दिन से वही मीम्स चल रहे हैं यार, बस कर दो यार.
एंड वही मैं सोच रहा था कि हमारे टीवी पे भी यही है, हमारे ड्रामे में हमेशा बस किसी की शादी टूट रही होती है, एंड दैट्स इट. That's all.
किसी का incest plan हो रहा होता है, किसी का कुछ हो रहा होता है. But not the Game of Thrones.
But speaking of memes, I do want to allude to something. There's a statistic on our website that says about 86 to 87% of all of our visitors come from Twitter.
Right.
Which is pretty insane because we're endowed to this one singular Jack Dorsey platform.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we went from around 800 followers to 2,800 followers because of Sarkhil in that year. So from Feb,
shout out Sarkhil.
From Feb to where are we? Exactly. From Feb to December. I don't know what he's done because most of the shit that he posts, I would never post it I would never ever post. I'm just like, oh my god, it's actually working.
Yeah.
So he does his thing, but it really works. I don't know. I'd like to hear about that. I'd like to hear about how does that happen? How do you
posting कैसे करते हो?
What is the art of shit posting?
So chalo,
I actually thought about this.
Sarkhil, what have you done and why have you done?
I actually thought about this because when I was tweeting this time, I was thinking how when I was about 2 years ago when Amir Naqvi asked me, or I think Rehan asked me to tweet for the PSL or Islamabad United. And I was like, no way, I cannot do that. I cannot do it for a brand because if you want me to be a brand, it will fail. But if you let me be myself, it's fine.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
So we're not a brand. Is that what you're saying, Sahil?
so change of pace feels.
I only work with bad brands.
नहीं दो चीजें हैं एक तो सर्किल का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा है he's in the meme in the SMU social media universe meme
SMU.
making इसकी अच्छी है SMU में SMU के कैप्टन अमेरिका है ये और दूसरी बात वॉल्यूम यू जस्ट कीप ट्वीटिंग यार बोलते रहो हम भी ऐसे ही हमने फॉलोइंग बनाई है ना सोशल मीडिया पे बकवास करके ऐसा ही होता है so that's the basic formula for it all.
So Hill, do you agree with this? Sense of humor अच्छा and you talk
but
about
not I don't want to be Captain America though.
No, up to you're done. Captain America. Who else is Mossad is Tony Stark? Really sad.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay with not being Iron Man. I think Sohail has a better Iron Man.
I want to be Spider-Man.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know when this shift happened because when I met Sohail, he was big on Iron Man. And now he's Spider-Man. And
well, because there's a black Spider-Man now. So
right, of course.
When I was
because Tony Stark is an African American representative.
When I was a kid, it was always Spider-Man, and then the Iron Man movies came around. So then there was that little phase, and then Spider-Man came back. So
Spider-Man.
We have already talked too much Marvel for this.
Spider-Man. Andrew Garfield
is out.
Acha. So then there was the COVID situation, that small problem that happened this year. Matches, series cancel ho gayi, postpone ho gayi, etc. Was the podcast situation a response, like a pivot to those conditions, ya hamesha se isi tarah ka irada tha, or was it a bit of both?
I would say it was a bit of both. So COVID hit us before Ramadan, and so what happened was that we had started doing podcasts before we met you before we did our episode in February, right? So we had done a couple of episodes, and those episodes were just a team. And then what happened was COVID hit, and then we ran out of content because even in the podcast we would talk about specifically what's happening in cricket now or some key milestone. What we got lucky with is that COVID that time period we had that was the anniversary of the Champions Trophy victory and a couple of other key events. So we built episodes around that. So we increased the frequency of episodes to once a week, which obviously helped us gain traction. That also led to us bringing on qualified guests. So I really enjoyed bringing on Michelle from Caribbean Cricket Podcast. Shout out to them. Freddie Wild from CricViz. Bazid Khan, obviously.
Yeah.
Big people.
Bazid was really fun to talk to, and you know that's continuing now. We had Umayyad Asif on last week because after winning his PSL title. But for me, it wasn't just that; it was also the fact that we did some other content, like I told you about the quizzes, and on social media we were very busy. Like I was working with Sohail on doing these ATP style posts where you would build your own character or pick who you're quarantining with. It sounds very BuzzFeed-ish, but frankly, we needed that, and the community needed that.
No, it's true. I mean, yesterday I did that stupid thing where I was like, what are your top 10 foods apart from biryani? मैंने तो बस कर दिया. I'm tired of the notifications now. I wish I had not done this. मुझे नफरत हो रही है. But
we did a couple of those in Ramadan. It really worked. I think ऐसी कौन से थे वो? एक तो हमारा था कि build your 5-a-side, or then there was one where which house do you want to
quarantine house, something like that.
That one went.
But was our biggest post the Arnab post?
The Arnab post, oh my god! The Arnab post was special.
So good.
What's the Arnab? I missed it.
Yeah, इस point पे you can just cut and then we'll send you the link and you can post it.
Yeah. But yeah, वो जो उसकी viral हुई थी क्या हुआ था वो?
यार एक तो ये active directors के साथ काम करो यही होता है.
Was it the one with the Kunal वाला situation जो हुआ था on the plane?
No, it was
the suddenness वो उसकी clip थी ना.
Okay.
क्रिकेट का एक बना दिया था.
Okay.
The suddenness वो मिसबा की शॉट मारता है याद है.
Suddenness. The sheer suddenness of the move, the unexpected nature of the move, the unpredictability of the move, the fact that there was no.
और अब ये बस देखें ये आपने देख ली क्लिप मैंने डाल दी थी. If they send it.
Great clip. Anyway, so.
अच्छा तो the podcast thing then, is this now going to be match ho na ho, COVID ho na ho, this is going to be a regular thing that you guys are invested in then?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean our schedule looks very busy this year with Pakistan cricket, so we're going to try to keep it as regular as possible, but first and foremost product to hamara commentary hai, so that's going to be their number one.
And then these supplements will become, like I spoke to AZ about this, and these supplements will become more and more important because of the fact that we're going to New Zealand, and there's just the timing is just not there for us to do commentary. It starts at 2 a.m. here and finishes at 10, and it's just not possible, especially for the longer format of the game. So there will be a lot of like daily recaps and probably an episode that's 30 minutes just covers what happened during the day.
But do you want to talk about the experience of Test cricket?
Yeah, I want to go to. I mean, I think AZ. Like, first of all, shout out to AZ, because I have to say I was like, when I spoke to Ahmed Hassan about this in the car, he told me I'm insane, and he does that a lot. He tells me I'm insane a lot. Yeah. It's not the first time he said that. Obviously, the last time. And I was like, you know what, Ahmed, we should just get in. We should just stick in there and do all of these 3 test matches. And he's like, pagal ho gaye. I was like, yeah, I know, but like, let's just do it. I mean, we're there. हमने देखने तो हैं ही वो test match. तो मतलब कर ही लेते हैं. And then obviously, I was like, Ahmed's like, no, and I was like, okay, let's just do it. I mean, कोई आता नहीं आता कर लेते हैं. And it was a massive, for me personally, I thought it was a massive risk. क्योंकि AZ is witnesses it. Even these guys, जब हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया की वनडे सीरीज की थी, वो इतनी स्लो हो गई थी कि उस पे listeners मतलब कभी-कभार बहुत कम हो जाते थे कि मतलब embarrassing level listeners हो जाते थे. But then, like, I'll let AZ take over. The test series was like crescendo of our performance. Numbers wise, quality wise, everything.
Yeah. But so that was really surprising for me to look at.
Yeah, the original plan was.
So you think, yeah, test match, matlab, as a general like format, log kam dekhte hain, but like the numbers were like completely. Maybe it was a COVID thing. Log ghar pe baith ke dekh rahe the, but like it was really shocking. Bahut cool tha.
I mean, even if it was a COVID thing, they probably had other shit to watch as well, but they chose you guys. So, Khalsa, what do you think worked?
यार, our plan initially was कि यार हर दिन का आखिरी सेशन जो 2 घंटे का होता है, we'll do that on the weekend, a couple of the days. फिर यार हमने कहा, एक तो पहली बात पाकिस्तान मैच जीतने शुरू हो गई, so that was the biggest motivation कि यार चलो कर लेते हैं.
हमने पहला सेशन भी किया था जिसमें हम हमारी लगी थी.
नहीं, हमारा इनिशियल प्लान यही था ना कि यार आखिरी सेशन कर लेंगे फ्राइडे सैटरडे को, फिर बाकी चलो यार अल्लाह मालिक है. फिर हमने कहा यार एक्साइटमेंट इतनी, चलो मैच देख रहे हैं. फिर पाकिस्तान जीतने शुरू हो गया. then 4 of the 5 days we were in control of the game, और हम भी साथ ही लगे रहे. फिर एंड में मैच ही हार गए. बट आप लेकिन उसके बाद इतना जबरदस्त एक टेंशन क्रिएट हो गई थी हमारे चैट में, हमारे ट्रैफिक पे. हमने कहा यार वी कांट क्विट नाउ, वी हैव टू कवर ऑल ऑफ दीस गेम्स. और हालांकि बोथ ऑफ द रिमेनिंग मैचेस वर कंप्लीटली marred by rain, तब भी हम लोग लगे रहे, वेट करते रहे घंटे में. मुसाद के घर बैठा रहा waiting for the match to start. But then when we came on, the people would be right there. They're like, हाँ यार किधर हो?
Yeah, but I think
कोई नई गप छेड़ो.
The greatest thing that happened was कि क्योंकि जितनी भी experience commentary का है with AZ and Musad and Ahmed T20 में, so the transition to go from T20 to a format that's so different in Test cricket, वो I think सबसे बड़ा accomplishment थी.
Almost
हमने AZ और मैंने मतलब आप कोई भी like pick a topic off the top of your head, we've talked about it during that test match. खानों पे बातें, गानों पे बातें, मतलब किस चीज पे हमने किसी को. At one point we spent, I think, a post lunch session just discussing who the hottest cricketer in the world was.
ये तो हर सीरीज में एक दफा किया है.
Obviously उसका आंसर हर वक्त इमरान खान होता है. That's a universal truth.
हमारा साथ एक स्पिन ऑफ आ गया गानों और खानों, उसको भी आप जरूर
गानों और खानों.
But the point is like there was I personally felt, I don't know if AZ can speak to this, but whenever I'm on the mic, I think it's a performance. And I know this is a bit exaggerated, but I always feel like that because it is. Yeah. You have to call the game. You have to kind of provide something back. You have to give value to the time that people are giving you back. So for me, T20 is wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. There's a lot happening. 40 overs, you're done. Game's done. But with test match cricket, yes, there was obviously some great cricket with एक session होता जिसमें 6 विकेटें गिर गईं, एक में हो गया किसी का 100 हो गया. But ऐसा वक्त भी आया जिसमें कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. मतलब एक सेशन हमारा I think day 2 lunch से पहले we were playing at 2 or 3 runs and over. Nobody's playing any shots और बस bowling हो रही है. And we're like, फिर भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं. And people were like crazy. वो community इतनी strong हो गई थी उस वक्त तक that people were just there to give their opinions. भाई मैंने कह दिया मुझे जलेबी नहीं पसंद, लोग पागल हो गए, इसको कैंसिल करो, ये करो, why जलेबी पे मतलब full जो ना, and like दोनों के साथ. And it was a really healthy atmosphere. I thought test match cricket would be really difficult and really like just not worth our time. And I said, AZ, cricket आ रहा है COVID के बाद वापस, we just need to be there. देखो अगर आप, we are a cricket show primarily. So when cricket returns for Pakistan, we just need to be live. एक session कर लेंगे, 2 session कर लेंगे, फिर देखी जाएगी. But वो जो we said चलो ठीक है, हम पहले session पे आ गए. We did a bit of a first session, but लोग आने शुरू हो गए. और उस वक्त ये हुआ कि Sarkhail was also at home and he was very active on Twitter. तो उसकी वजह से एक दो like I think some of the Twitterati caught on. Like I think
juxtaposition.
Yeah. Juxtaposition इस तरफ होती है, इस तरफ नहीं होती. But
ये वाली होती है.
ये synergy होती है. ये juxtaposition होती है.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, we had like Maho and we had a couple of the I think Rehan and a couple of other guys that, you know, they have a bit of a presence on Twitter that started enjoying the product, and because of that, it was a bit of a snowball effect because of Test match series. Or the PSL, we didn't even have to do too many promotions. We're just like, aajo, or sab aage.
Yeah, I think काफी it's similar to what people say about cricketers themselves. कि T20 तो फिर भी लोग खेल लेते हैं, but the real test is like a test match, and that's sort of being mirrored in experience as well. एकदम से
क्या बात है.
But yeah, the community वाली बात, I think going a bit off from your specific experience, I think कि इस तरह का non-scripted content वाला जो scene है ना, all that really needs, not all it needs, but the most important thing is people need to be invested in the personalities. And yeah, and when jo log the few people who for some reason have interviewed yam TPR walon se, and I think exactly the same opinion will be said about you guys, is people just say aapki chemistry itni achhi hai, oh chemistry aapki, how do you guys have, because we're all like asal mein friends. And it's not something, you know, we're not thrown together like fucking One Direction or something and we have to make something from nothing. But yeah,
no, but I have to say
that works.
Can I be Zayn Malik? Can I be Zayn Malik?
I personally hate, नहीं आप कह रहे हैं ना अली, लेकिन it's काफी difficult हो जाता है. I personally hate Musad's guts, but ये
वो नहीं क्या, वो Mythbusters के अंदर जो hosts थे, they hated each other.
Adam and Jamie. Yeah.
Adam and Jamie, they hated.
Yeah, we don't talk during the innings break.
जो आप कह रहे हो अली, it's exactly that कि यार अगर मैं और मुसाद या मैं और अहमद अगर हम कैरम पे भी बात कर रहे होंगे, लोग हमारी बैंटर, हमारी केमिस्ट्री, हमारी दोस्ती, हमारी you know riffing enjoy करते हैं. So that's what my eventual dream is, to see that कि change of pace, वो banter, वो riffing और वो सब एक जो vibe है, वो हम क्रिकेट के अलावा भी ले जाएं. क्रिकेट तो चलो it's a great uniter of all Pakistanis, वो तो हमें पता है, apart from कायद आज़म, and of course फिर आगे भी हम चीजें ले जाएंगे. एंड आतिफ असलम, उस पे भी लड़ाइयां हो जाती, कहते हैं जी बेसुरा है, छोड़ो वो बात.
वो जो है,
that is the plan, to go beyond just cricket, beyond just sport, and all avenues, all spheres.
Who said that? Wait. Which one of these windows said Atif Aslam is besura?
नहीं, काफी लोगों को नहीं पसंद आतिफ असलम. I love,
I love
Adiz.
Listen, if you don't like him, you can jump off a cliff for all I care. Billie Jean. Don't say it's based on. Hey, you bring up the one bad song. You bring up the one, not even the whole song. A portion of the song.
आतिफ असलम की डेब्यू एल्बम, पूरी एल्बम जो थी वो ऑटो ट्यून के साथ, शदीद ऑटो ट्यून के साथ थी. लेकिन ये तो
I'm sorry, no. There's live renditions of that album that are just as good.
I mean, the album wasn't good, so what are you saying?
No, the album was so good they made it twice.
अच्छा, एक दफा तो हमने,
आप दूरी की बात कर रहे हो, जलपरी की बात कर रहे हो?
बिल्कुल पहले जलपरी है.
जलपरी was
yeah, the only
that's only, bro.
The only reason they put it out.
Jhalpari is like our foundation. It's like हमारी प्री की वो कायदा नहीं पढ़ते हम यार, कुरान पढ़ने के पहले. Come on यार.
देखिए हमारा फिरका अलग होगा.
73rd, 74th.
Listen, we're not taking any Atif slander on this show or on any show for that matter.
This is his show.
Was rushed just so that they could get it out before Jal ki apni album came out. I mean, Atif became the bigger star, Jal vanished, but
shout out to Farhan.
क्यों हर जगह है जल.
Nice.
Also, मेरी parents की एक video थी,
followed by Bikram mein,
where one of the guys is a detective and he's come from the UK क्योंकि आतिफ असलम kidnap हो गया. And that video ends with him hearing the Billie Jean version and he's like, yeah, fuck this guy, ये मर जाए. I don't give a shit. But a good video, one of the good Naked Tyrant videos. अच्छा, community की जरा आप एक बात बताएं. Are you guys still primarily Pakistani people in Pakistan or Pakistani people overseas? Mostly Pakistani. Yeah, are there other people also now tuning in who are not just there for Pakistani cricket?
We have data on this actually, and the data says it's 40-60. 40% of people are in Pakistan, 60% are outside.
Okay, but outside में चलो DS भी तो आ जाता है ना, DS वाले, but
Yeah.
non-Pakistani.
Non-Pakistani,
India.
very
Israel.
Israel से 3 लोग आते हैं.
Literally, we have
Israel से पता नहीं 3 लोग आते हैं.
Wow.
Palestine.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
But
Accept कर लिया आप लोगों ने भी. अच्छा, moving on. Quickly.
But to be fair, to be open, like I think
Cut करें आप इसे cut करें.
the Indians show up. Obviously, shout out Clive. The Indians always show up, and a few of the like when we were doing the England series, a few of some England fans did show up. I noticed that, but I have to say it's mostly overseas Pakistanis because there is this segment of people in Pakistan or just people just that like Pakistan cricket that come on, listen to. They're very familiar with AZ, but then they listen to my accent and they're like, "Fuck this shit, I'm out." So it sits better with.
That's still an issue.
Well, it's not as vehement anymore. People don't say it.
नहीं होता है, but it doesn't affect him anymore.
No,
Yeah.
and like, but it really, because AZ's like, sorry, we got kids out in the hall, but
Kids in the hall.
Kids in the hall.
but we got, AZ has this very like approachable desiness to him, and he already has an existing community on Twitter.
Yeah.
And then I'm basically the complete opposite. So
Juxtaposition.
that's where you can use
Juxtaposition.
कैसे होते थे हाथ?
But following up on that, Musa, do you think because Sarkhail is so Twitter heavy,
White.
AZ Khwaja as well, AZ Khwaja is also, I always say his full name, AZ Khwaja, he's also very Twitter heavy. Do you think at some point you guys will have to push the personality aspect a bit more? Like तुम्हें भी Twitter heavy होना पड़ेगा, and you know.
कर रहा है, ये tweeting कर रहा है. Notices he's starting to.
Because इतनी जली हुई है सरखेल की कि ये देखो ये he's taking.
यार इसने मुझे कहा था. Right. Okay. So I did no social media from 2017 to 2018. I just couldn't. It was like, I didn't.
ये
like
नई डाइट आई है.
Yeah.
कीटो के बाद. No SM diet.
And then Sarkhail was like, if you're doing this, then you're going to need a Twitter. And then I said no to him a million times. But then this year's PSL, I was like, let's jump the gun.
Right.
And there's like, I have like 50 more followers than I used to. So shout out to all 50.
Whoa. It's coming for you, Sarkhail.
Yeah.
Big money.
So, no, it's good. I get what you're saying, though. And I think Sarkhail is best qualified to speak on that. In terms of why.
How important do you think it is? Because TPR का तो चक्कर है ना, Facebook people don't follow us because we're nowhere on Facebook and we don't push on Facebook.
हमारा भी यही issue है.
Fuck Facebook people.
We're
Fuck
heavy,
Facebook people.
Heavy
Just
Twitter
listen, it's
and
spending.
chalo
Yeah.
Instagram.
Shout out Mark. Shout out
Oh,
Zucker.
you had to find out this.
I'm honestly, I'll be okay if we never get any Facebook followers.
Right. There is a clear division between the type of people who prefer either. मतलब अच्छे लोग तो चलो हम कह सकते हैं both sides.
But eventually we will be cancelled for social media
Centrist.
classism.
There's good people on both sides, okay?
देखे हमें दोनों तरफ अच्छे लोग हैं.
नहीं, but do you think Sarkhail, do you think it's important for you guys, given जो हमने personality वगैरह की बात की है इतनी, do you think it's important for all you guys to be, जैसे TPR पे it's you and Rizwan, मैं भी हूँ, but you know all of you should have like a strong Twitter thing?
Yeah, definitely. Without AZ's Twitter thing, I don't think Change of Pace would have gotten the sudden jump that we did steadily. AZ का Twitter is a lot bigger than any of ours combined. साथ लगा लो सबके फिर भी नहीं होगा.
Okay.
And even TPR के मिला लो तो फिर भी नहीं होगा. And and then now Musad is upping his game. So now Musad is upping his game, and I can see him interacting with the Twitterati, you know, getting his foot in the door.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Okay. And do you think, speaking of the podcast wala scene, thinking about this personality angle also, do you think थोड़ी reverse osmosis भी करनी पड़ेगी कि get like famous Twitter people on there ताकि they do the, you know, engagement bump or ये वो, is that like a thing that you've thought of? Or
I think ये give and take तो चलता है यार, करना ही पड़ता है. इसमें
But
it's the nature of the beast.
हाँ. To
Unless you
preface
murder someone on a live feed, जैसे वो रशिया में.
देखो Sorry,
आपने ये नहीं पढ़ा
if AZ can keep away his दुश्मनियां, ठीक है, AZ के बहुत दुश्मन है Twitter पे, इधर-उधर, you know, he's pissed off a lot of people have pissed him off. If he can keep them,
मैंने किसको piss off किया यार?
इतनी मासूम शक्ल है बेचारे की, तुम कैसी बात
नहीं, बट कम्युनिटी इसी की बात कर रहे हैं ना कि मतलब जो Twitter celebrities के अलावा भी I think what the main appeal for Change of Pace was that कि जो भी chat पे आया हमारे साथ interact करने के लिए, they left their followers at the door.
Yes.
तो
चाहे 2 हो चाहे 2000 हो,
चाहे 2 हो या 2 लाख हो, जितने भी लोग आए,
कोई चौड़ा नहीं आया,
कोई और सबको हमने भी मतलब कमेंटेटर्स ने भी बराबर वेट दिया उनके सवाल को, उनके बैंटर को. So that's been a great equalizer because all social media at some point, especially if it's Pakistani social media, becomes a little cesspool-y thoda sa. So वो उससे जो है ना, it's a good break from that.
No, it's a great equalizer. I noticed that during the test series, especially, like AZ has about 12,000, 13,000 followers on Twitter, and Maho has like 50,000, and they're always listening into us. But when you come onto the Change of Pace chat, like nobody gives a shit. अगर आप अच्छी बात करोगे, वो on air ली जाएगी, उस पे बात की जाएगी. Doesn't matter who you are, how many followers you're coming in with.
On air कुछ नहीं ली जाएगी, आपकी बात बोली जाएगी.
What you do? You know what I mean. But एक बात है, speaking of like Twitter personalities, I definitely have not cracked the code on Twitter because I noticed कि like, first of all, if you go on Change of Pace, you can see the tweets that I'm writing and Sakhil's writing. मैं जब tweet लिखता हूँ, वो 3 paragraphs में होती है, 3 indents होते हैं, और Sakhil बस मतलब 2 लफ्ज लिखते हैं और वो viral हो जाता है.
तुम centrist भी तो हो ना हर चीज में.
और हाँ, centrist भी हूँ. And then
तो कभी नहीं चलेगा.
Proud centrist.
Like when I'm talking about cricket topics on like, and sometimes I'll involve AZ on my tweet or something, and it'll just be like 3 मतलब ऐसे होगा ना, 4-part ऐसे होगी tweet में. 3 उसमें ये होगा like this happened, what do you think? AZ ने quote आर्टी करनी है, चूतिया. That's it. Like it's just that's all that's needed. And I'm like, yeah, man, I'm like proofreading my tweets out here.
Musad comes in with like Steve Buscemi, hello kids.
Exactly.
It's subtle but effective.
Yeah.
Like
the suddenness.
It's like I'm doing something wrong, very wrong.
Speaking of cesspool वाली बात, ऐसी बातों में मेरे कान खड़े रहते हैं. Has there been like any form of haters, backlash, इस तरह के
that has surprisingly been very.
I think आधे से ज़्यादा तो haters हैं उसके followers.
नहीं, वो they don't hate the product though.
No, they don't hate the product. वही personality की बात, वही जो अली कह रहा था ना.
But they don't hate AZ, they disagree with him. I think that's there's no. एक तो होता है ना जिस तरह मैंने देखा है. I think Ali, if I correct me if I'm wrong, but what you mean by haters is कि भैया आप एक, for example, एक YouTuber है और बस वो आप जाके कह रहे हो कि यार इसका तो काम ही बकवास है.
नहीं मतलब हम इनकी बात क्यों सुने, ये लोग कौन है?
हाँ. इस तरह का कुछ नहीं है. To be honest,
accent के haters, you have to count them as haters.
यार, there's like 2 out of 300.
Now, शुरू में सब यही था ना.
करो तुम count.
I just think it's for me personally, I feel like it's.
It's also like maybe disingenuous to say कि haters नहीं हैं.
Right.
But maybe not like some serious like
nothing you
cancel karo type वाले haters.
Nothing that keeps you.
I have like अगर हमारे पास टेस्ट सीरीज के दौरान 500 ट्वीटें आई थी, ट्वीटात तो उसमें से लिटरली उसमें से 3 ऐसी होंगी जो कहेंगी यार आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन टू दीस पीपल, और वो भी बस ये थी.
यार वही टाइलर द क्रिएटर वाली बात आ गई नहीं, अगर आपको हम पसंद नहीं है तो क्यों सुन रहे हो ना. क्लोज योर स्क्रीन ब्रो.
ओके,
तो अगर आप चेंज ऑफ पेस में आ रहे हो, आपने अकाउंट बनाया है, आपने अपना ट्विटर लिंक किया और आप हमारे साथ चैट कर रहे हो, तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ तो होगा. आपने सिर्फ ये ट्रोल करने के लिए आए, फिर तो इट शोज द फरागत ऑफ योर लाइफ दैट यू डिड ऑल दिस एफर्ट टू कम ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म, ऑन आवर वेबसाइट, एंड यू नो टू ट्रोल. तो आई थिंक ओवरवेलमिंगली I would say about 96.4% is positive. I would say.
Yeah.
Wow.
बहुत कम मैंने देखा कि कभी toxic हुए हो लोग.
There is again one thing that I spoke to Sakhil about though. Speaking of haters, and I wouldn't say this was hate. I think this was so a Change of Pace. I'm very opinionated about cricket, but then I was also running the Change of Pace account, and sometimes I would put opinions from that account, and I've realized that's not the best way to run a brand.
Right.
Especially one that I think can grow into something huge. And the reason that is because, sorry?
What sort of opinions?
So I'll give you an example, right? So like that one time.
Noon League PTI वाली opinions, basically.
नहीं, Noon League PTI नहीं. जब एक दफा हमारी squad आया था, तो सखेल मैंने एक player के बारे में LOL लिख दिया था.
I remember.
तो I mean, okay, fine. It was kind of incorrect on my part because I shouldn't throw shade on a player that I don't want in the squad. That should be done from my account. Change of pace on cricketing issues should ignite the conversation, not take sides on it. So that's a learning curve for me.
Off with like Musad or something.
Yeah, that could work, but then I have my own account. So what's the need of doing that?
Right.
So अब change of pace से अगर हम हमारी tweetat देखते हैं, तो it's like more about like what do you think? Here's the conversation. What do you feel? It's not like you're wrong and you're this. No, it's that's more what I do from my account.
More inclusive.
Andy Tate
है तो सबकी लेनी है.
हाँ, बराबर लेंगे.
अच्छा, how do you think the last we spoke, I think PSL बस शुरू होने वाला था in Abu Dhabi or Sarkhels, and then abhi recently that got stopped and like towards the end and then it was picked up. How do you think that went for PSL overall as like an idea, as a brand? Like they did what they had to do given the circumstances, but how do you think that went, and how do you think people who were watching or who were following your stuff, how do you think they reacted to the setup?
I think AZ should take this one as a start, and then Sarkhel because of the social media.
Yeah, our second season of PSL was absolutely mad. जो high profile matches थे, we were lucky to have a few exciting matches with my team Lahore. तो फिर जो हमारे जो website वाला scene था, it was like you know वो क्या नाम है वो कौन सी है वो R&B वाली निकी मिनाज की कुछ live chat लग रही थी, इतने comments आ रहे थे, like the matches were absolutely crazy. यार मुझे नाम भूल गया, आपको पता है मैं
वो R&B वाली
मैं ज्यादा ये उस फील्ड में नहीं जाता अब.
ये उनकी जो फील्ड है.
Kelly Rowland.
Excel on her.
Excel on her.
Excel.
What did he say?
जी.
So basically, until I was rudely interrupted by these haters, क्या बात कर रहा? हाँ, तो तब तो बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम था और हमारी चैट भी बहुत और चेंज ऑफ हमारी वेबसाइट भी. We've just launched it this year. ये पहली दफा हमने उसको बीटा से सीधा लाइमलाइट में लाए थे, तो it was really overwhelming. फिर कोविड आ गया, फिर ये सारा हो गया, तो फिर जब रीलॉन्च हुआ तो of course the people were right there. और I think हमें पाकिस्तान जो क्रिकेट को भी क्रेडिट देना चाहिए. We were only the second country to have COVID, in this environment. तब भी हमने बायोसिक्योर बबल क्रिएट करके सारा मैचेस घर पे करा लिए. इंडिया ने तो पूरा अपना IPL इधर दुबई शारजा में किया है. तो even then they managed it really well. We obviously adjusted with them. और अभी couple of months में फिर PSL का मेला शुरू हो जाना है.
Yeah.
It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be fun.
Given the
It's gonna be fleek.
Oh God, no.
A couple of months.
I think it works.
Stop trying to make it work.
Maybe. Screw it in. It's never gonna happen. वो जो है, given the COVID scene in Pakistan, जो कि अभी आजकल जरा bad चल रहा है, any indications that there will be any delays with this अगला PSL? या फिलहाल?
नहीं, they literally just announced like the tentative dates, like the draft is in the first week of January or 20th Feb को I think PSL शुरू हो जाएगा. 4 शहरों में. Like just like the one we had right now. Of course, biosecure and all that stuff will probably be going on, but they're committed to getting it on.
Right.
I feel like it might change though. I don't think 4 shehron wala will be possible to do. They might do just 2 cities, maybe even 1. But I don't think it's 4 biosecure in 4 cities and
they'll do 2 at a time. 2 at a time, not all 4. 2 at a time कर लेंगे वो.
How do you think this plays into अभी जो हमने देखा है कि पाकिस्तान टीम जो न्यूजीलैंड गई है उसमें लोग कोविड निकला है and न्यूजीलैंड वाले जो हैं वो उछाली जा रहे हैं. I mean, they're not wrong, but also some people are offended कि भाई इतना क्यों उछाल रहे हो.
Also, England squad just tested positive too in South Africa, so.
Yeah, but South Africa didn't eliminate COVID. तो न्यूजीलैंड तो जरा इस पे भी चौड़ा चल रहा है कि outsiders foreign तो brown ऊपर से बीमार.
Like I was saying off air or in the blooper reel or whatever, यार आप 5 million का island हो, आप तो बंद कर सकते हो. हम पाकिस्तान है, we're a landlocked country from 90%, तो हम कहाँ से बंद करें भाई?
Right.
So it's not easy for us. और तब भी आपको उस environment में पाकिस्तान टीम अभी 3 महीने गुजार के आई इंग्लैंड में यार, पूरे बबल में रहे, कोई इशू नहीं रहा. 1-2 फ्लेयर अप्स हुए थे, वो थोड़ा सा प्रोटोकॉल्स टूटने के, बट न्यूजीलैंड वाले कुछ ज्यादा ही हैम हो गए हम पे. आई थिंक उनकी एटीट्यूड ठीक नहीं है और शायद हमारी भी गलतियां हैं. तो because they didn't have a chartered flight नहीं थी ना, they went to Kuala Lumpur first.
अच्छा.
फिर उधर से ऑकलैंड गए थे एक chartered flight से.
वही लोग कह रहे थे
उधर इशू उधर.
मल्टीपल टेस्ट हुए थे तो how
4 टेस्ट हुए हैं.
हाँ, तो वही मैं सोच रहा था कि so you're fairly confident कि PSL में ऐसा
हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
I think with New Zealand, you also have to put into perspective the economic relationship we have, right? So, with all due respect to New Zealand and the infrastructure they've created for these series to go forth, it's not in the interest of humanity or cricket that they're doing this. It's because they would lose out on millions of dollars if they didn't. So this is a purely economic transaction and an economic effort. So Pakistan going there is an aid to that. Whether we've obviously maybe have behaved slightly incorrectly, and that too, there's a 55-man contingent that's gone. So out of them, 2 of them, which is frankly, and I've read into the misbehavior, so to speak, that's been touted. It's not really significant enough to throw your hands up in the air about. However, I personally, I'm very, vocal about this. I have a strong opinion on the way certain parts of the world and their press speak about certain parts of the world and their people. And that's on show for me with the New Zealand press and some of our press too. We were quickly jumping on board saying there's issues with testing in Pakistan and tests are fake, et cetera, et cetera. And you know what? Tests have been fake all over the world. There might be issues everywhere. I'm not saying that it's perfect in our country and it's perfect someplace else. I just think that it's very disingenuous to conclude on such sensitive medical health issues before you know the whole story. And I'm talking about senior journalists. I'm talking about people that have hundreds and thousands of followers on social media. Their word is taken for not just domestically, but internationally at a certain level. So you need to be a lot more careful about that. And I don't see the same level of snide reporting with the One Day International getting called off yesterday. However, that's just me and my rant, and there's probably a little bit of bias, me being Pakistani and experience a little bit of racism. Yeah. But I think there's always an element of that, and at least domestically we need to be aware of being, incorrectly conclusive about these things.
And wo wali baat, I think this is also very important, where people with huge internet followings just say whatever they want, oftentimes just for traction, and with no regard for the actual influence they wield.
Yeah.
So I think we're pretty close to.
वो एक thinker ने कहा था ना, with great power comes great responsibility.
पता नहीं कौन था ये.
Shout out.
Iron
Man. R.I.P. Uncle Ben.
So this is my main issue with Miles Morales, right? He has parents.
No, his dad.
His dad died.
I mean, dad dies.
Yeah. Well, still, that's 50% more than actually.
What's the issue?
Spider-Man's not supposed to have parents.
मारो इसकी माँ को मारो. ये यतीम.
What kind of Spider-Man has parents?
ये इस podcast का title ही होना चाहिए.
I mean,
you know that meme where the little kids are sitting around a table and they're like, should Spider-Man have parents?
Podcast चल रहा है उनका. Yeah. I think Miles doesn't have Peter Parker, कि तो कुछ काफी bad scene थे, because उसके अम्मा बाप मर गए. He technically had his Aunt May तो थी.
Shout out.
Wow.
Ali, what are your thoughts on hot Aunt May?
She was very hot.
I know. Do you think it's an appropriate depiction of the character?
Yeah, appropriate to khair, who's to say?
Easy loves it for obvious reasons.
New age mein to, ab women of an age that would previously not be considered desirable. Hum to of course woke hain, but humne ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा. But wo, there काफी acceptance उनकी बढ़ गई in media, and I'm all for it, for completely non-personal reasons and biases. But what I was thinking was कि Aunt May पिछली वाली जो थी वो तो बहुत बुढ़ी लग रही थी. मतलब उनको प्यार भी कर दो, like Marissa Tomei, I think is her name. So she wouldn't have looked. I'm just thinking age gap शायद कम कर दिया between,
Well, the other Spider-Man was also a lot older than this one is, right? Age-wise. Yeah.
Technically, when Tobey Maguire started, वो Luca Bhatta भी high school में था.
Was he high school? Was he high school?
अभी graduate हुआ था.
Bro, that was so messed up, man.
Yeah, one spoiler, not spoiler, Easter egg, where the bully who pushes him into a locker, फिर जिसकी ये कोट लगाया था, I think that was Joe Manganiello उस ज़माने में.
Oh, really?
Yeah, famous for being Sofia Vergara.
Sofia Vergara's.
Yeah. He's famous for. उससे पहले भी वो कौन सी movie थी?
नहीं, he's famous for Sofia Vergara.
Mr. Sofia
Vergara.
Vergara.
Yeah, कब से चल रहा है?
Yeah.
Anyway.
But anyway, I think a good point to wrap up this before we look at the questions.
Sophia
is,
Vergara. Ideal point to wrap up anything.
Oh,
wrap it up.
इसमें ऐसा क्या था?
वो जो है
तुम लोगों की सोच खराब है, मेरी अल्फाज गलत नहीं है, तुम लोगों की सोच खराब है.
ये आई
बिल्कुल
थिंक
सही कह रहे हो, हमारी खराब है, सही कह रहे
ख्वाजा मरेगा ना तो
देखो माइल्स भाई आ गए.
क्या होगा कि लोगों की सोच खराब थी, मेरे अल्फाज ठीक थे. Rest in peace.
फिर उसमें क्लिप डाल दो, उसकी माँ को मारो.
What is before this derails again? What is the plan for next year that you've thought of so far, with regards to your content, with regards to what you're looking at in terms of events, etc., etc.?
Yeah.
What are you guys planning as of
So a couple things we're thinking of, and obviously I've had conversations with.
Sorry, before you begin, and also what lessons have you learned based on this year? Audience को देख के जरा इसको भी आप जरा कर दीजिएगा.
Yeah. I think everybody will have different opinions on this, even in terms of direction, because we speak to each other about this. There's no agreement on where we're going to go, but there's a lot of possibilities, which is a good thing. The great data trend that we have going for us is that we're rapidly growing. Every match has more and more listeners, more and more commenters. So that's something we can definitely bank off of. One of the key learning points for us was that Test cricket is awesome. And if it's happening during our time zones and we can cover it, we should cover as much of it as possible. The website and the fact that the community neutralizes social media clout is a massive, massive win for the community. It gives access to all sorts of people, and everybody's just on there accessing us and each other and having a good time. And it's just, there's no real like stigma around, oh my God, what will this famous person think of me? It's just, you say what you want and we'll read it out and we'll have a conversation around it. That's a great learning curve. There was some technical difficulties, obviously, with, now we've finally figured out a way to not have music on our YouTube, but have music on our website. So we avoid all those copyright issues. There was sometimes we had the, technical issues with the chat where it was too many people on it. So we've managed to adjust that and make sure that it's working properly. So there's a lot of technical learning about it. We won't go into details because it's basically showing you the kitchen and it's just, there's no value to that. But the next year, I feel like we're probably going to cover a lot more cricket. We're going to be obviously covering all of the Pakistan circuit, but we're also going to be expanding into more sports. I mean, he's talking about pop culture and stuff, and that I think is also eventually going to be on the cards. But the closest synergy that we have, and we did a couple of football episodes on our podcast, but we're working on potentially covering live football, if not at the least have one weekly show for football as well. Yeah. Now, in my perspective, we don't even need the same 4 people for all sports. We can bring in other experts. There's obviously there's a bit of a mutiny on our group about this, but there's a small community on Formula One in Pakistan as well that's building that we could tap into. So there's definitely an opportunity with others. Yeah, exactly. Well, there's an opportunity with others.
मजे की बात है अली, जो हमारी F1 heads है ना, तुम्हारे और मेरे वही 6 लोग और सबके म्यूचुअल्स हैं और वो हमारी टाइमलाइन की MBA1 कर रहे होते हैं. यार बता क्या बोले इनको यार.
It's like कोरोना वायरस जब हुआ था तो सारे स्पोर्ट्स रुक गए थे and everyone had to find something. F1.
It was a documentary too, to be honest.
I think it's the Netflix documentary, which is probably one of the greatest sports documentary I've ever seen. Like,
I agree.
It really makes you.
All two.
कितनी देखी है तुमने Netflix sports documentary? सारी देखी.
I've seen all of Netflix.
I've seen all 3 of them.
all 11 of them.
Do you think you guys will have to change your logo if you add more sports?
Surprise?
Modified.
I will make it a rainbow ball.
Hey!
Change of pride.
Change of pride. Pride of pace.
नहीं, हम एक एक्चुअली हमने जो म्यूजिक और वो फुटबॉल वाले में हमने लिखा था फुटबॉल या ऑफ बीट, ऐसा कुछ हमने एक छोटा सा स्टिकर लगा दिया था. आई थिंक दैट वर्क्स प्रीटी वेल.
Okay.
Whatever. But आर्ट क्रिएट करने में तो हमारे सरफराज शाउट आउट एस्थेट है, तो टेंशन ही क्या है यार.
Also, anyone else have any thoughts about what Musad said about next year?
Let me have my 2 cents on it. I believe like I've said repeatedly, that we are the talent, we are the driving force behind Change of Pace. That I feel our chemistry, our friendship, our banter, हमारी जो synergy or whatever you want to call it. That's what drives our product. और हम उसको किसी भी चीज पे transmit भी कर सकते हैं और translate भी कर सकते हैं. अब I think our ambition should be limitless. And I think we should look to कि यार हमें एक पाकिस्तानी सोशल मीडिया स्फीयर में अपना स्पेस क्रिएट और हमें छीनना पड़ेगा और हमें जगह बनानी पड़ेगी. आपको पता है यार अली, एक चीज कुछ ना कुछ आपकी वायरल हो जाए, देन यू हिट द स्टार्स राइट अवे. कोई भी हमारी क्लिप कहीं भी चल गई, इधर उधर चल गई, किसी ने शाउट आउट दे दिया, किसी ने हमारा ट्विच खोल दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. पीपल्स लाइव्स हैव चेंज्ड ओवरनाइट. यार लिल नाज एक्स ही देख लो यार, वो कहां से कहां टिकटॉक से कहां पहुंच गया. तो अगर हमारा एक शाहराए ओल्ड टाउन रोड कहीं चल गया, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So we should have the ambitions. If you keep your ambitions sky high, you land somewhere on the mountain top. Wow. ये देखिए, unbelievable. So
I also think that
I'm a bit anal about it कि यार हमें तो expand करना चाहिए, करो
वो तो अपने अपने शौक है.
करो. Whoa.
I think there's I agree with. I honestly, like, the team dynamic that we have is great because we have people in the team that are circumspect about any idea, which is good because you need those people. You don't want to just be jumping everywhere. And then we have people that are, you know, overtly ambitious, which is equally as good because you need that driving force. So I think it's a good mix. And eventually this year has been awesome for us because we now have our own ecosystem, our own platform, and a little bit I could go as far as saying we even have our own community. So we're heading in the right direction. I'm personally really, really happy with the progress we've made. And what's really, like, I know Sergey has tweeted about this from Change of Pace and his account too. It's frankly very rewarding and emotional too when you get people, you know, at the end of a game or during a game just being like, I feel like I'm sitting next to you and listening to this game. This is amazing. This is, you know, the best way to experience. Somebody said this is the best way to experience Pakistan cricket. Now, when we started this, that would be a pipe dream, and it, you know, and now it's slowly becoming a reality. That part is pretty amazing. The fact that people actually tune in to listen to us. That's awesome.
And just like all of social media, at least the one we consume, like really runs on hate.
Yeah,
like it fuels on hate. So this is just something that, like, even if I was an outsider, I would be like, I would gravitate towards this. यार ये finally कुछ जरा wholesome, एक enjoyable चीज है जो लोग कर रहे हैं, जिसपे cynicalness नहीं है इतनी ज़्यादा. तो yeah, just glad to be a part of it, I guess.
That's awesome. That part is really good because we haven't had any shit posting.
What is before we end, what is the ultimate dream, like, that you're like, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, but अगर हो गया तो that's what we're aiming for?
Founding from a stadium, I guess.
Yeah, basically,
to be quite honest,
it's I think it would be to
it's about licensing, right? Like global licensing. वो तो फिर लेन देन की बात आ जाती है ना. फिर तो हम कर सकते हैं अगर हमारे पास इन्वेस्टर हो या फिर सरखेल की इनहेरिटेंस आ जाए, फिर हम कर लेंगे. ऐसी क्या बात है.
मेरी इनहेरिटेंस
भाई, you are the only one with a PS5 here.
In the frame.
I sold my kidneys for that.
Watch these के पास. खैर, अच्छा चलो.
I think Ali, it would be to be Pakistan's go-to sports brand in terms of news and content. That would be sublime. I think right now we also have a personnel issue in the sense that the manpower that we have. You know, if AZ and I are on commentary, we need somebody else to do Twitter, and if Sarkil's doing Twitter, what about Instagram? You know, one thing that I do want to mention is that next year I definitely want to focus on maybe even bringing in a resource that'll help us enhance,
like a real intern this time.
Yeah, like a real intern that'll enhance Facebook and Instagram too.
Not one we inherited.
Nepotism नहीं चाहिए हमें.
You know, just people that can actually help, because I know that the quality of listener might not be the same, but there's people on there, you know, and you can't just sleep on them. You need to tap into that market. You guys are doing a great job on Instagram. Like, you're always there and active. So we want to recreate a little bit of that. Just be active on Instagram, keep taking away, keep getting those singles, and then see if we can build up to a bigger sport.
जैसे आपने mention किया था before we started कि, you know, like a Barstool or Bleacher Report or you know something like this. इस level पे अगर हम पाकिस्तान के लिए ऐसा कुछ करें, I think that would be really exciting.
That'd be awesome.
Maybe like Formula 1 has WTF1 for Formula 1.
Yes, that's actually a perfect example.
Yeah, would probably be the equivalent of that for Pakistan cricket.
Zabardast. I think these dreams are big, but looking at you guys now, I don't think they are that unachievable.
You just need a moment, Ali. एक आपका एक viral moment हो, फिर you know how it goes.
Like
And also, it's all about showing up. I feel like a lot of it is just showing up and doing it.
Consistency.
Yeah, at this point, it's just like doing it to this point. Yeah.
On that note, we're going to end the episode. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for showing up. We'll skip over to our Instagram comment section, which is thoda chota ho, but that's also good. So that'll be on our IGTV. Links to their personal profiles, work, everything is down below. You already know who they are, but thank you guys for coming, and we'll see you on Instagram. Obaji, Khuda Hafiz.
Peace.